Hello students, in today's video lecture we will discuss about next point, it is arthropod borne infection, in that malaria, plague and filariasis. In we discussed first one disease, that is malaria. Malaria occurs in most tropical regions. Protozoa disease transmitted by bite of Anopheles mosquitoes, and incubation period of this disease is about 9 to 30 days. Causative organism Plasmodium Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium falciparum. So mode of transmission of this malaria disease in malaria is mainly spread by droplet infection and direct contact. Causative organism of this malaria disease is that Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium falciparum. These are the causative agent that cause malaria disease to human. Mode of transmission of these malaria disease is mainly spread by droplet infection and direct contact. In many slides, influenza is mainly spread by, I have copy. Then you please that note that influenza cut out, and that disease, that is malaria disease, is mainly spread by this. You have right. इथे स्लाइड्समध्ये मी इन्फ्लुएन्झा असं लिहिले, इन्फ्लुएन्झा इज मेनली स्प्रेड बाय, बट ते मी कॉपी करत असताना ते तसं झालं आहे, पण ॲक्च्युली ते मलेरिया इज मेनली स्प्रेड बाय असं पाहिजे, किंवा आधीच्या स्लाइड्समध्ये पण तसंच झालेलं आहे. ते तुम्ही करेक्ट करून घ्या. Then causative organisms of this malaria, in that Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae and Plasmodium falciparum. So malaria is communicable disease caused by parasitic protozoa belonging to the genus Plasmodium. Malaria is characterized by periodic chills and fever, enlargement of spleen and secondary anemia. So transmission, it is transmitted by the site of female Anopheles mosquito, which acts as a vector. It is transmitted by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito, which act as a vector. Life cycle of this malarial parasite. The life cycle of malarial parasite can be classified into an asexual cycle, which occurs in the infected host, and a sexual cycle, which occurs in the mosquito. Mode of transmission, malaria is mainly spread by vector transmission, direct transmission and congenital. In that vector transmission by bite of female Anopheles mosquito, and direct transmission by injections of infected blood or plasma. Then third one is congenital, in that infected mother to newborn. Mode of transmission of this malaria disease, in that malaria is mainly spread by vector transmission, direct transmission and congenital transmission. In that vector transmission by bite of female Anopheles mosquito, direct transmission in that by injections of infected blood or plasma. Then congenital, in that infected mother to newborn. These are the mode of transmission. Then sign and symptoms of this malaria disease, in that cold stage and hot stage. In cold stage, onset of fever with chills and sensation of extreme cold. Sign and symptoms of malaria disease, in that cold stage, onset of fever with sensation of extreme cold. Hot stage, in that temperature rise up to 106 degree Celsius and intense headache. Sweating stage, in that fever decrease with sweating. These are the signs and symptoms of this malaria disease. Then prevention, in that prevention against mosquito bite, anti-larval measures, anti-adult mosquito measures, then control of human reservoir. These are the preventions of this malaria disease. Prevention against mosquito bite, anti-larval measures, anti-adult mosquito measures and control of human reservoir. These are the prevention. Then malaria life cycle. ही काय आहे? मलेरियाची लाईफ सायकल आहे. 12वीमध्ये हा डिसीज तुम्हाला झालेला आहे आणि त्याची लाईफ सायकलसुद्धा तुम्हाला झालेली आहे. देन you can see the image of these malaria life cycle. Then आता आपण बघितलं आहे मलेरिया. मलेरिया म्हणजे काय आहे? मलेरिया इज अ कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज कॉज्ड बाय ए पॅरासाइटिक प्रोटोझोआ बिलॉंगिंग टू दिस जीनस प्लाझ्मोडियम. Malaria is characterized by periodic chills and fever, enlargement of spleen and secondary anemia. It is transmitted by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito which acts as a vector. Life cycle of malarial parasite. In that, the life cycle of malarial parasite can be classified into an asexual cycle which occurs in the infected host and a sexual cycle which occurs in the mosquito. Then asexual cycle, in that when a female Anopheles mosquito bites a normal individual, it introduces sporozoites into circulation. The sporozoites are carried to liver. There they are converted into merozoites. The merozoites are then released in circulation. They enter to red blood cells and multiply. The rupture of red blood cells release more and more merozoites, which coincides with the fever of malaria. Some of the merozoites differentiate into male and female sexual forms. So these sexual forms are sucked when the mosquito bites an infected individual. Then sexual cycle मध्ये काय आहे तर in the mosquito the microgametocytes and macrogametocytes unite to form a zygote. म्हणजे मेल आणि फिमेल जे मेरोझाइट्स आहेत ते काय होतात युनाइट होतात आणि फॉर्म काय करतात झायगोट. and the zygote develops into ookinete or oocynates and then sporozoites. The sporozoite is introduced into circulation when the mosquito bites a normal individual. ही तुम्हाला काय आहे सेक्शुअल आणि असेक्शुअल सायकल आहे. असेक्शुअल सायकल ही इन्फेक्टेड होस्टमध्ये होते आणि सेक्शुअल सायकल ही मॉस्किटोमध्ये होते. देन prevention and control. In that early diagnosis through examination of blood smears, immediate notification to health authorities. Then hygienic measures like good drainage, these will prevent stagnation of water where mosquitoes breed. Then destruction of mosquitoes by spraying DDT or kerosene. Then prevention of mosquito bite by rubbing mosquito repellents or using mosquito nets. Treatment with antimalarial drugs like quinine and chloroquine. Health education about proper drainage and related sanitary measures. Then next one disease is plague. Plague is an infectious disease transmitted to man by infected rat fleas. It is primarily a zoonotic disease. The causative agent is vipitis, which is present in the boobs, blood, spleen and liver of infected person. Plague is a zoonotic or zoonosis disease. Infection transmitted to man by infected rat फ्लीज. व्हेक्टर कोण आहे रॅट आहे. इन्क्युबेशन पिरियड किती आहे 9 to 30 days. देन कॉझिटिव्ह ऑर्गॅनिझम येर्सेनिया पेस्टिस. वाय पेस्टिस? दिस इज येर्सेनिया पेस्टिस. दिस इज अ पॉझिटिव्ह ऑर्गॅनिझम ऑफ प्लेग. Incubation period of these disease is 3 to 6 days. Then sign and symptoms of these plague disease. In that main symptoms is pneumonic plague. In that systemic, in that fever, and central, that is headache. In the respiratory, cough, hemoptysis, dyspnea, chest pain, and muscular, that is weakness. हे काय आहे साइन अँड सिम्पटम्स. इन दॅट प्लेग ट्रान्समिशन कसं होतं. प्लेग ऑकर्स इन 3 फॉर्म्स. ब्युबोनिक प्लेग, सेप्टिमेक प्लेग आणि न्यूमोनिक प्लेग. In bubonic plague is the common type of plague. It is characterized by fever, prostration, inflammation, and swelling of lymph nodes. Transmission in that plague is episodic in rats. The fleas feeds on the rats. The infected rats die and then the fleas leave the rats. When healthy rats run away, the fleas starve, so they bite human beings who are thus infected. The bacilli, which are regurgitated or excreted in the feces of fleas, may enter through abrasions. So pneumonic plague is transmitted by droplet इन्फेक्शन. प्लेग ट्रान्समिशन हा इमेजमध्ये तुम्हाला दाखवलेला आहे. काय रॅट कॅरीज प्लेग बॅक्टेरिया, फ्ली ड्रिंक्स रॅट्स ब्लड, देन बॅक्टेरिया मल्टिप्लाय इन फ्लीज ॲबडॉमेन, देन फ्लीज बाइट्स टू ह्युमन्स अँड ह्युमन इज इन्फेक्टेड. These are the plague transmission. Then prevention and control. In that general measure, prophylaxis for prevention bites of flies by controlling rats. Early diagnosis, notification, isolation and disinfection of excretions like sputum. Then attendant must wear protective measures like gloves. These are the general measures. Prophylaxis for prevention bites of flies by controlling rats. Early diagnosis, notification, isolation and disinfection of excretions like sputum. Attendant must wear protective measures like gloves. Then chemoprophylaxis, in that protect by using suitable drugs. Vaccination, in that 2 vaccines used, killed vaccine and attenuated vaccine. These are the 2 vaccines used in this plague disease. General measures in that prophylaxis for prevention bites of flies by controlling rats. Early diagnosis, notification, isolation and disinfection of excretions like sputum. Attendant must wear protective measures like gloves, etc. Chemoprophylaxis, protect by using suitable drugs. Vaccination, 2 vaccines used, that is killed vaccines and attenuated vaccines. Then these plague is control of cases by early diagnosis, notification, isolation, treatment and disinfection of sputum and discharges. Then control of flies with insecticides like DDT or BHC. Control of rodents with rodenticides by trapping. Vaccination with Hopkins anti-plague vaccine. Chemoprophylaxis with tetracycline or sulfonamides. Health education about plague and the involvement of rodents. Then next one disease is filariasis. Filariasis is a group of disease caused by nematodes. Filariasis caused to man by blood sucking arthropods. Incubation period of these diseases is not less than 3 months. Healthy leg and इथे तुम्हाला ह्या इमेजमध्ये दाखवले बघा एलिफेंटासिस. हेल्दी लेग अँड एलिफेंटासिस लेग. इन दॅट filariasis is a communicable disease caused by 3 parasites. In that Wucheria, Bainocrofti, Brugia malayi, Brugia timri. These are the 3 parasites which caused filariasis. The symptoms of filariasis are lymphadenitis, elephantiasis of genitals, legs, arms, etc. Also, pulmonary eosinophila may be produced. vector filariasis, the vectors of Wucheria bancrofti are Culeus anopheles and its mosquitoes. The vectors by Brugia mellei and Brugia timuri are Monosonia mosquitoes. So filariasis is transmitted by the bite of infected vector mosquitoes. The parasite is deposited near the site of puncture. It passes through the skin and reaches the lymphatic system. इन्फेक्शन ट्रान्समिटेड बाय बाईट ऑफ इन्फेक्टेड मॉस्किटोज. तुम्हाला ह्या इमेजमध्ये दाखवलेला आहे. जो इन्फेक्टेड मॉस्किटो आहे त्याच्यापासून जिथे तुमच्या पायाला किंवा हाताला जिथे जखम झाली असेल तिथे जर का तो इन्फेक्टेड मॉस्किटो बाईट केलं तर तुम्हाला हा डिसीज होण्याची शक्यता आहे. फिलॅरिसिसमध्ये काय होतं, आपल्याला जो एलिफंटासिस डिसीज माहिती आहे, हत्ती रोग हा माहिती आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं तर पाय जो आहे त्या लेग जो आहे तो काय होतो, त्याची साईज जी आहे ती वाढते. देन prevention and control. In that, measures to reduce mosquitoes, eliminate breeding place, kill larvae of larvicide, example kerosene, use mosquito net. Then measure to prevent personal protection, that wear protective clothing, use insect repellents, and common treatment in that in endemic treat whole population by diethyl carbamazepine citrate, in that DEC. These are the prevention and control method for this filariasis disease. Measures to reduce mosquitoes, eliminate breeding place, kill larvae by larvicide, example is kerosene, use mosquito net. Then measure to prevent personal protection, wear protective clothing, use insect repellents, and common treatment in that in endemic treat whole population by diethyl carbamazepine citrate, that is DEC. Then next disease, that is surface infections disease. In that 4 diseases, in that rabies, trichoma, tetanus and leprosy. These are the infectious disease caused by these surface infections. In that rabies, trichoma, tetanus and leprosy. In rabies first also called as hydrophobia, is called as hydrophobia, caused by virus infect CNS and salivary glands. Incubation period, that is varies with patient to patient, shorter in children, also depends upon site of infection. Face 30 days, hands 40 days and legs 60 days. Whole minimum time is 9 days, it is 4 or up to 4 to 8 weeks. In that rabies is a viral zoonotic infections disease of the nervous system. The virus is neurotropic RNA virus. It belongs to the group of rhabdovirus. Rabies is transmitted by the bite of rabid animals, commonly dogs. Infection can also occur through the licking of rabid animals. The source of infection is the saliva of rabid animals. Rabies is also called as hydrophobia, caused by virus infected CNS and salivary glands. Incubation period of this rabies disease varies with patient to patient. Shorter in children, also depends upon sites of infection. Face 30 days, hands 40 days and legs 60 days. Whole minimum time is 9 days to up to 4 to 8 weeks. You can see this image of these rabies, how to spreads infected animals, then symptoms in humans, virus spread through central nervous system, show fear for humans, act very agitated, bat, fox, cat, skunk, dog, another common rabies source. So fever, symptoms in human, in that fever, depression, agitation, painful spasms followed by excessive saliva, deals with within a week without a vaccine. Then treatment, in that hospitalization, immune globulin injections, anti-rabies vaccines, and foaming at mouth after drinking produced by spasms in throat. Then next, causative organisms of these, in that Lysa virus type 1, mode of transmission in that mainly spread by zoonosis, spreads by wide range of animals, mostly by bites or leak on broken skin. Causative organism in that Lysa or virus type 1, mode of transmission in that mainly spread by zoonosis, spreads by wide range of animals and mostly by bites or leak on broken skin. Then sign and symptoms in may animals in that may appear sick, crazed or vicious, that is mad dog. Then nocturnal animals alert during the day may also appear overly friendly, docile or confused. In human, pain, tingling and or itching at bite side. The non-specific in that fever, chills, fatigue, muscle aches, later high fever, agitation and confusion. Then extreme hydrophobia and aerophobia, death during latter stage. These are the signs and symptoms of this rabies disease. Then prevention in that pre-exposure prophylaxis. Risky persons like to zookeepers should be immunized. Compulsory vaccination of pets and stray dogs. Then post-exposure prophylaxis in that prompt and proper treatment. Also take following measures in that wash area of bite using plenty of soap and water for about 5 minutes. Excise damaged tissue. Apply antiseptics like tinctures of iodine and vaccination 1 ml of vaccine at 0, 3, 7, 14, 30 and 90 days. Pre-exposure prophylaxis in that risky persons like zookeepers should be immunized. Compulsory vaccination of pets and stray dogs. Then post-exposure prophylaxis in that prompt and proper treatment. Also take following measures in that wash area of bite using plenty of soap and water for about 5 minutes. Excise damaged tissues, then apply antiseptics like tinctures of iodine. Vaccination 1 ml vaccine at 0, 3, 7, 14, 30 and 90 days. Then control in that educate the people, create awareness about rabies, regular vaccination of people, then early vaccination of dogs and pets. In that rabies is transmitted by the bite of rabid animals, commonly dog. Infection can also occur through the licking of rabid animals. The source of infection is the saliva of rabid animals. Symptoms: the duration of illness is very short, lasting for 2 to 4 days. The end is always fatal. Initially there is headache and fever. Later there is excitation and delirium. It is followed by spasm of deglutition. Muscles which produce fear of water. Death occurs due to respiratory paralysis. In that, prevention and control: bites, wounds and scratches must be cleaned with soap and water. Later the wound must be cauterized with carbolic acid or tincture of iodine. Also, anti-rabies serum must be applied on the wound. The bitten person must be treated with anti-rabies vaccines ARV and human anti-rabies globulin. Immunization for pre-exposure prophylaxis and destruction of stray dogs. Prophylactic immunization of all pet dogs and domestic animals. Then next one is tetanus. Tetanus also called lockjaw. Tetanus also called lockjaw. Fatal infectious disease characterized by increased muscle tone and spasm. Incubation period is 3 to 14 days. Tetanus is an acute disease caused by the exotoxin of Clostridium tetani. Tetanus is characterized by muscular rigidity and painful spasm of voluntary muscles. The spasm of masters produces lockjaw. The spasm of facial muscles produce risus sardonius. The spasm of back and neck muscle produces obstotonus. The rate of death is high with tetanus. In that, tetanus also called lockjaw Fatal infectious disease characterized by increased muscle tone and spasms. Incubation period is 3 to 14 days. Causative organisms of Clostridium tetaniae. Mode of transmission mainly spread by occur after acute injury, also occur after burns, ear infection and surgery. Mode of transmission mainly spread by occur in after acute injury and also occur after burns, ear infection and surgery. Sign and symptoms of this: fear, sweating, then difficulty breathing or swallowing, raised blood pressure, then difficulty opening the mouth, fixed grinning expression and muscle spasm and stiffness. These are the signs and symptoms in tetanus disease. Prevention and control in that: acute immunization, passive immunization, general measures and miscellaneous. In that acute immunization, vaccination using DPT vaccine by using purified tetanus toxoids. Passive immunization with human tetanus immunoglobulin or anti-tetanus serum. General measures by cleansing of wounds reduce further risk. Miscellaneous: in case of deep puncture, use suitable antibiotic therapy is started. Prevention and control in that: active immunization, vaccination using DPT vaccine by using purified tetanus toxoids, passive immunization with human tetanus immunoglobulin or anti-tetanus serum. General measures by cleansing of wounds reduce further risk. Miscellaneous: in case of deep puncture, use suitable antibiotic therapy is started. In that improvement of general hygiene, active immunization with tetanus toxoid, that is TT, children and pregnant mothers must be immunized. Children must receive DPT at the 6th, 10th and 14th week and a booster dose at 18 months. In women, for the first pregnancy, they must receive 2 doses of tetanus toxoid. For the second and subsequent deliveries, 1 dose is enough. Passive immunization with ATS or human tetanus immunoglobulin for immediate protection after trauma. Local treatment and cleaning of all wounds and tissue, debridement and chemoprophylaxis with antibiotics. Example is penicillin or tetracycline. These are the prevention and control measures of these tetanus disease. Then trachoma. Trachoma is also called granular conjunctivitis, is a serious and contagious eye disease affecting conjunctiva and the cornea, mostly prevalent in unsanitary surrounding condition. Incubation period is about 4 to 10 days. Trachoma, also called granular conjunctivitis, is a serious and contagious eye disease affecting conjunctiva and the cornea, mostly prevalent in unsanitary surrounding condition. Incubation period is about 4 to 10 days. Causative organism of this trachoma is Chlamydia trachomatis. Chlamydia trachomatis. These are the causative organism of this trachoma disease. Mode of transmission mainly spread by personal direct contact, indirect contact and through flies. In that personal direct contact, shaking of hands, through common indirect contact through common towels, and last one is through flies. These are the transmission mode of this trachoma: personal direct contact, in that shaking of hands, indirect contact through common towels, and last one is through flies. Then sign and symptoms of these trachoma. Symptoms, that is cloudy cornea, discharge from eye, swelling of the lymph node in front of the ears, swollen eyelids, turn in eyelids. Symptoms take 5 to 12 days to appear after infection. In that, trachoma is a chronic infectious disease of the conjunctiva and cornea. It is caused by Chlamydia trachomatis. Trachoma produces inflammation and scarring of the conjunctiva. This leads to inward deviation of eyelashes and lid margin. The eyelashes produce abrasion of the cornea, which result in corneal ulcer. Ultimately, it leads to blindness. Transmission mode of this trachoma: direct contact from person to person as they sleep together, indirect contact through formalities such as towels, and pillows, and mechanical transmission by flies. Then prevention and control, in that isolation of trachoma cases in schools and institutes, careful examination. Any article of patient, example towels, etc., must not be used by any other. Maintain personal hygiene, avoid overcrowding. In that, mass treatment of all people with drugs like sulfonamides and tetracyclines. Surgical correction of eyelid deformities. Then environmental sanitation like fly control, safe water supply, improvement of personal and general hygiene. Health education about cleanliness of family members and the environment. Isolation of trachoma cases in schools and institutes, careful examination. Any article of patient, example towel, etc., must not be used by any other. Then maintain personal hygiene and avoid overcrowding. Then treatment by using sulfonamides and antibiotics. Treat the trachoma disease. Then last one disease of these, in that leprosy also called Hansen disease. In that chronic infections of human affect and damage superficial tissue, especially skin and peripheral nerves. Incubation period of these leprosy about 3 to 5 years. These are the surface infections. In that कोणकोणते बघितले आपण सरफेस इन्फेक्शनमध्ये? रॅबीज, ट्रॉकोमा, टिटॅनस, देन लेप्रॉसी, and these are the disease you discussed in these surface infections. Leprosy also called Hansen disease, chronic infections of humans affect and damage superficial tissue, especially skin and peripheral nerves. तुम्हाला ह्या इमेजमध्ये दाखवलं आहे बघा कसं इन्फेक्शन होतं. लेप्रॉसी म्हणजे काय? देन क्रोनिक इन्फेक्शन्स ऑफ ह्युमन अफेक्ट अँड डॅमेज सुपरफिशियल टिश्यू, especially skin and peripheral nerves. Incubation period of these about 3 to 5 years. Then causative organism of these leprosy, Mycobacterium leprae. Mode of transmission mainly spread by direct transmission, prolonged close contact with an infected person through airborne droplets. These are the transmission mode of this leprosy disease. Causative agent is Mycobacterium leprae. Then sign and symptoms of this disease: initially nerve damage causes numbness of skin on face, hands and feet. Affected skin may become thickened and discolored. Loss of sensation, lack of sensation leads to injury or even loss of fingers or toes. Signs and symptoms of this leprosy disease: initially nerve damage causes numbness of skin on face, hands and feet. Affected skin may become thickened and discolored. Loss of sensation, lack of sensation leads to injury or even loss of fingers or toes. Then prevention and control of these leprosy disease: in that isolation of patient, early diagnosis and chemotherapy, then treated with some specific drugs such as dapsone, etc. Create awareness about leprosy, avoid overcrowding, bad personal hygiene and avoid of sharing of clothes, etc. For prophylactic purpose, use BCG vaccine. Isolation of patient, early diagnosis and chemotherapy, treated with some specific drugs such as dapsone, etc. Then create awareness about leprosy, avoid overcrowding, bad personal hygiene, avoid of sharing of clothes, etc. For prophylactic purposes, use BCG vaccine. सो हे आपण आज बघितलं सरफेस इन्फेक्शियस डिसीजेस. सो इथे आपण स्टॉप करणार आहोत. नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये आपण पुढचे डिसीज जे आहेत ते स्टार्ट करणार आहोत. थँक्यू.